So in the previous video, part 14, we have used this code for jQuery AJAX call. Okay, so this syntax can be replaced by another form also. So this can be replaced by this URL. Okay, this is a JSON object. From here to here, it is a JSON object. So inside the JSON object, we have the parameters and these are the value. So JSON object contain key and value. So this is the key, this is the value. This is the key and this is the value. So by default it is a get statement. If you will not write, it will take it as a get statement. Okay. So if you will see here, list of employee action method, we will go to the controller and action method here. Okay. So here it is. There is nothing means this is a HTTP get. It is equivalent to HTTP get. There is nothing means it is equal to HTTP get. So when we will call this URL, if it is a get type, then it will hit here. Okay. So I am giving a breakpoint here. I am running it. Okay, this is a get type. So this is the new syntax. Okay, we can add many things in the syntax. That was previous was the simple syntax. Now this is a get type. That previous one is equivalent to this one. This is a get type, and this is the URL. Okay, here HTTP get. Now we'll run it. So I'm clicking the button. It will hit the backend. So it is hitting the backend. Okay, because we have mentioned that it is a get type. So as this is a HTTP get, so it is hitting here. As this is a action method of this particular controller, and it is written here employee action, controller and action. So it is hitting in this view. In this action method hitting. Suppose we will do one thing. Suppose I will change to post. I change it to post from get. Let's run whether it is hitting or not. Breakpoint is there. So it will hit or not. So I will click this. Error not found. So means error is happening here. So error not found. Means this URL is not found. It is saying that there is no action in HTTP post in the backend. Here there is no action in the HTTP post. It is in HTTP get. Okay, but in the AJAX call the type is post. So if I will change it to HTTP post, then it will hit. Now I am changing it to HTTP post. Okay, now it will hit. This is HTTP post and this is post. So then I will run this application. Now it is hitting because this is HTTP post and here also HTTP post. Okay, so we can do same both HTTP post and GET to run the application. Okay, both will act as same functionality. So in post also I can fill it, but I will tell what is the difference between GET and post. So in this case we are not sending any data to the action method list of employee, not sending any data. So we can send data also. How we will write here in GET and post, both cases we can send data. Here everything is in JSON format. Okay. Similarly, data will pass in JSON format. So here it will be comma, not quote, not colon. It is comma. Just like these are the comma. So key value, key and value, then comma. So key value, then comma, key value, and then comma. So data will be sent like this. ID is equal to this, name is equal to this. Okay, and it is equivalent to yeah, we can send data like this. Okay, and also you can see here, if we are sending JSON value like this, key and value, it is equivalent to same like this. Just like query string, name equal to Ravi, ampersand age equal to this. Okay, just like we pass in query string case, copying here, you can see here question mark, then name Ravi, age 31. So this query string value can be passed as a data JSON object in this format. Both are same. Okay. Now we will change it to post. So I want to show you the difference between GET and post. So I will change it to GET. Okay, I will change it to GET, and here also I will change it to GET. Okay, then it will hit here, and I will do one thing. So this data I want to send this data, JSON data, to this controller, this action. So I will do one thing. I will create a model with this parameter, ID and name. Now come to this. I can fill this one using potential fixes, it belongs to the model. So using this application dot model. Now it comes here. Then I passed this one. Okay, list of employees. Here it is also list of employees here. So I am passing ID and name. Okay, ID name is here. This is the employee. If you go to the definition, then I have ID and name, and in index also the data is ID and name, so it will pass. Okay, so ID is 12 and name is this. So let's run it. I have a breakpoint here. Okay, so I am taking the mouse here. Let's see, data is coming. ID is equal to 12, name is equal to Srikanth. It's coming. Okay, so it is coming because of this. We put data. This is a keyword. We cannot change it. All left side are keywords. Success, error, data, types, and URL all are keywords. We cannot change it. But these are all user defined. Get is also a keyword. We cannot change it. This value is user defined. It is matching with the model structure exactly. Okay, so that's why we are getting the value here, ID and name. Okay, then we can send the employee model from here. Okay. Now the question is why we are using post also. So to answer this, I will give a big name here because there is some limitation of string. Okay, when we are putting the data like this, it is actually equivalent to, see, when we are putting a data like this, it is equivalent to a string which we are writing here, equivalent to the query string. So for get statement or get verb, this one, for get verb, that is a limitation. The query string length should be maximum 20. Maximum 2048 character. Okay, if it is more than 2048, it will not take. In that case, we will go for post. Let's see, I will give the name as very long name. Okay, see, this is a name is here, variable name equal to this. This is a very long name. Okay, and the length is, I will show the length here also. Okay, then I will take this length nm variable to here. Instead of Srikanth, I will change it to nm. Now I will run the application. So if I click, I am getting 2038. Okay, if it is 2038, okay, what happened? This is 2038. Okay, this is 2038, and the colon, equal to, in case of column we will get equal to here, colon equal to. Okay, so this is 2038, then this is 4, so 2042, then 43, 2045, then 46. Okay, then it is 48. Okay, so it is around more than 2048. It is 2049. Total length will be 2049 when we are sending like this. Okay, when we are sending this, actually we are sending this through the query string. So what we will see, if it is 2038, I click this, it is not found. found means, so it will come here, error not found. Okay, not found means length is exceeded and it is not working. So in this case it is more than 2048, the length, total length. Okay, what we are sending to query string. So in this case, if you will change it to post, it will work. Here also I will make it post. HTTP post. Here it is post and here also it is post. Then we will not get any error because post can take more than this. Okay. Now let's go and run this. So I am clicking here 2038. Now it will work because it is a post. Post can take more than 2048 characters. Now it take the character and you are getting the ID and this name. There is a huge amount of characters. Okay. If okay, post means it can take more than that character. So this is the difference between get and post. Main difference. Post means more than 2048 character it will take. Okay, so we can use both post and get, and if it is a post, then the action should be attributed with HTTP post.